What is up, guys? Britt here, back with another video, and today I am going to be doing the software update for iOS 13.1.3. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Go to your iPhone and go to Settings and select. Okay, and go to General and Software Update. Okay, so looks like it's about 144 megabytes. And let's see, iOS 13.1.3 includes bug fixes and improvements for your iPhone. So let's learn a little bit more about this. Alright, so right here it says about the update. So it addresses an issue that could prevent a device from ringing or vibrating for an incoming call. Fixes an issue that may prevent opening a meeting invite in email or mail. Resolves an issue where data in the health app may not display correctly after daylight savings time adjusts. Fixes an issue where voice memos recordings may not download after restoring from iCloud backup. I think I had this issue on my phone actually. But okay, so addresses an issue where apps might fail to download when restoring from iCloud backup. Fixes an issue that can prevent Apple Watch from pairing successfully. Resolves an issue where notifications may not be received on Apple Watch. Fixes an issue where Bluetooth may disconnect on certain vehicles. Improves connection reliability of Bluetooth hearing aids and headsets. And addresses launch performance for apps that use Game Center. So it's a pretty hefty list of corrections and bugs that are being fixed. So yeah, guys, I definitely recommend that you install this software update. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We'll go back and let's select download and install. This update requires a Wi-Fi network connection to download. So let's make sure Wi-Fi is on. Okay, so make sure that it's showing blue and it's not grayed out, and then you can go ahead and download and install it. Okay, passcode required. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and wait for this to finish. Okay, estimating time remaining. Okay, update requested. So downloading. Alright, so about 15 seconds remaining. Shouldn't be too long. Wasn't a lot. I think I said 144 megabytes. So that shouldn't take too long. Okay, so now it looks like it's preparing the update. Okay, guys, so that was just the downloading part. Now it says install now, so we're going to install. Installing, verifying update. And we wait. So it's going through the process of installing rather quickly. And just waiting until it finishes up. It's almost done. And then it should be rebooting soon. Okay, guys, so that is that. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 13.1.3. Go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.